Welcome to WordPress. Connect WordPress and WooCommerce with Google Sheets. It can be helpful in many ways. Google Sheet from your Google Drive can be private or can be shared with selected people. When an order is completed, we can get information from the order and store it in Google Sheet. When a product's inventory status changes, we can add product information to Google Sheet, and there can be many other use cases. In this video, we will add product name and URL in Google Sheet when product goes out of stock. It can be helpful for getting product information without logging into store. Maybe you can share this live sheet with manager or other worker to notify them if any product goes out of stock without giving them access to your site admin area. Uncanny Automator allows you to do it without coding, without APIs or any hassle. You just have to select trigger and action. Let's install Automator plugin. To install the plugin, go to Plugins, add New, search for Automator. Uncanny Automator. Automate everything with #1 no-code automation tool for WordPress. Install and activate. After installation, we've got this menu, Automator. But first, we will install its Pro version. After you buy Pro version, go to Uncanny Automator website, go to Account. From here, go to Downloads, download Uncanny Automator Pro, and get the license key from this page, Licenses. Then from Plugins, click Add New, upload plugin, choose File, select Automator Pro version, open, install, activate plugin. Now both regular and Pro versions are installed. Hit Activate Copy of Uncanny Automator Pro, provide license key here, hit Activate License. To integrate services, go to Premium Integrations. Choose Integration from left side to connect to the account. To connect with Google Sheets, click at Google Sheets, click Connect Google Account, select Google email address, grant it permissions to manage Drive files and Google Sheets spreadsheets. Check these options, hit Continue, and now this account is connected. After you have installed Pro version, activated it, integrated and connected Google Sheet with it, from your Google Drive, create a spreadsheet. I have created this sheet and I have labeled 2 columns, name and URL. Let's name this spreadsheet Out of Stock Products. After that, under Automator, click Add New. Select recipe type for logged in users or for everyone. I will select everyone and hit Confirm. Here, recipes are combinations of trigger and action. These are triggers and these are actions. Add a trigger and associate action with it to automate something. It's like if this, then that. If this happens, do that. Name this recipe. From triggers, select WooCommerce. Select a product's inventory status is set to a specific status. Any product, you can choose specific product as well. Save. Then it asks status, specific status. Choose out of stock. Save. And this trigger is live now. Add action. Select Google Sheets. Create raw in a Google Sheet. We have connected Automator to our Google Sheets, so it can fetch that spreadsheet. Select Spreadsheet from here. Out of stock products. Select a worksheet, Sheet 1. Then hit Get Columns. We've got 2 columns in sheet, name and URL. We will map these columns with the variables from here. So we want the product name. Click this static button. Select this token that we created above. product title, and for URL, select product URL. Save. After you have created the triggers and actions, make this recipe live. And by the way, we can add more actions here as well. So this is live now. This is our Google Sheet. Now, if we go to store, go to shop, let's choose this product, edit it, change its inventory from in stock to out of stock, update, and here we have got it. Found fresh eggs, and here is the URL. Out of stock products. Let's make this out of stock. Fresh organic honey. Edit, inventory, out of stock, update, and here the product has been added. So this is how easy it is to connect WooCommerce and Google Sheets. And we do not need to dig into Google Cloud and APIs and stuff to do all that. It's just connect, select, and forget. It will do the job. This is a must-have plugin for all business WordPress sites that makes integrations and automation really easy. To get this WordPress Automator plugin from Uncanny Automator, check out the link in description. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.